Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change your Wi-Fi network name for Mercusys router. To do this, first we'll need to open our configuration website, which is mwlogin.net. Enter it, login with probably admin, which is the password and name, and then you'll find on the left two different networks. There's 2.4G and 5G network. We're gonna go for 2.4, then host network, and right here go to the right, there's SSID, which is a name for your Wi-Fi, and you'll be able to rename it however you like. Make sure to save it, and after that you might need to join the network, so go to your Wi-Fi settings and change it. You can do the same thing in 5G by doing basically the same thing as I said. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.